Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. You guys see that the sinking funds is out, which means we are doing a sinking funds cash stuffing video. This is the first time I think this year that my sinking funds has not changed. Super exciting, and oh my gosh, I'm so glad I looked at this because guess who just realized I need to actually send my parents something for their anniversary coming up this month. So we'll see that change later on, but money's out, so you know what that means. We're gonna get right into counting. Let me go grab my marker and we can get started. Okay, so first things first, and first thing on the list is parents' anniversary, which is coming up, and they have been married for however long they've been married, a really long time. I don't even try to keep up anymore. I don't know if that's how that is with your parents, but I don't. It is what it is. So we should have 44, so 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're supposed to get $3. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out for a 5, and if they have 24, we can just take back 2 from here and keep the 5, and that gives us with, ooh, and now I've got a couple of ones. I've got some ones. That's something. We'll take it. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. Perfect. 47. Ooh, I gotta get this. Ooh, off. There we go. 47. And I'm debating on whether I want to trade out some of these, but I don't know. It's not worth it yet to trade these out. And I will try to go Monday if I can and figure out what I'm gonna get them. Mom and Dad's Day should be at 36, so 10. No, this is my mom's. Yeah, Mother's Father's Day should be at 19. There we go. Okay, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We've got one more 5. So, and they're supposed to get 3. So we will take away 2. Put that over there again. We've got some 1s, yay, but we have used up all our 5s. But guess who's going to be able to make change for these 5s? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So now we will have 1s and we will have some 5s. This looks a mess. There we go. We finally got it to act right. And in fact, we may, I don't know, we don't have that many 20s. And we'll need 20s. So we'll just leave it at 22. Which is exactly where we're supposed to be. So perfect. 22. Then we have Mom's birthday, which should be at 36, and that's coming up in March. So 20, 30, 35, 36. So we've already met her goal, which is 36, I believe. So we're exactly at her goal. We've got the money set aside. This is really going to be putting that $3 towards next year. So this leaves us with 30, well, 3 for her. So I'm going to actually just put this as 3. And then we'll build from there. So I don't overspend. Then we have Dad's birthday. Here's his envelope, and he should have the same. But now we're going to be a little complicated because I'm pretty sure I don't have the change that I'm going to need for his. Let's see what we've got. Oh, we've got 4. Great. Let's use my sister's because then we can take her one. So she should have 19. Her birthday was in December, so it just came up. So we just emptied hers out. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're going to take these 4. We're going to take 2 from her, switch it out for one of these 5s, which now gives me the money I need from my dad's. And we're going to also take her 2 5s and trade that out for a 10. And that's going to give me the money I need for that. And in fact, I'm going to take these 2 10s. We are just going down the line here. And we're going to trade out these 2 10s for a 20. So here she is with her 22. 22 and 22. Okay. And then we'll go back and we'll do our dad's since I now have change for his. 22 for Karima. And dad's will be now 3. So let me get his 3 for him. So 1, 2, 3 for my dad. Perfect. So now we're out of 1. So woohoo. Okay. And put his away. All right, let's move on to our next section, which is Juneteenth and 4th of July, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Valentine's, which I have not made one for. And I hope I actually set out the $5 for that, so I guess we'll see in a little bit, huh? So here's 4th of July, Juneteenth, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. So 4th of July gets $2. Let's see what we've got in here. Do we got some ones we can work with? Ooh, we do. Okay, so we're gonna take $3 and put that away and take a 5. So that leaves us with 20, 30, 20, 25, 30, 31. Perfect. Set that to the side, 31. And then we have Thanksgiving, which is at 60, and it gets 15. So we're going to take a 10 and a 5. Oh, sorry, that was upside down. Let's make sure we have 60. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Perfect. Here's the 5. Here's the 10. And that leaves us with 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So let's put 75 so I don't have to recount it again. And let's do a little trades. We'll grab a 10. And then we'll put the 2 20s down, or 2 10s down. Oop, trying to be careful here. And we'll grab a 20. Perfect. So now we've got a little extra change, a little something to work with there. Perfect. Christmas is at 75 and it will get 25. Ooh, I raised Christmas. Okay. So 20. Oh, I wonder if I got the right amount out. We'll see when we get to the end, huh? So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. And it gets 25. So 20 and a 5. This thing is just going to be nothing but 20s and 5s, which is hilarious to me. Okay, so it's at 75, so we should be at 100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Perfect. I'm debating on whether I want to grab some of these 5s. I feel like I do because I have some for the next one that I need. So we're just going to take these 4, put them down, grab another 20. Alrighty. This is so much less chaotic than these usually are, but I feel like it's because I finally kind of have a handle on things. And then we get 10 for New Year's, and New Year's should be at 35, and New Year's feels very thick. Oh, because New Year's is, I don't know why I have an extra little folder for this. That's weird. Okay, so New Year's is now at 45. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, so it should be like a little over 100. So, yeah, I don't know why that's so thick, or it has this little thing. So, 45. And I'm going to just have to, I think, get a little sticky so I can do $5 for Valentine's. So another envelope to make y'all, but I want to get cute little something for Valentine's, like with some hearts on it or something cute. So there's my 5 for Valentine's. All right, so that is it for this first half of my sinking funds. I feel like I have never finished this quickly. We're not even at 10 minutes yet, so I feel a little shook, honestly. I feel a little like, oh, I must have missed something. I must have done something wrong, but it's just that I don't have all that madness going on that I usually do because it's actually in order. So who knew that if you actually put your stuff in order that it goes by so much quicker? But that's it, y'all. This is our first half of our sinking funds for the month of February. So thanks for watching. Let me know how things are going, and I will see you in our next video where we will cover our second half of our sinking funds. I hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.